What's up, guys? Here about the bang the video, and today I'm back with another banger. Today I'm here to tell you guys 3 things that I think need to change in the new Steam Profiles customization update in the point shop. 3 things that need to change, and also one thing that I really do like, and I'm proud that they added. So 3 things that need to change, one thing that I think should stay. Let's get right into it. All right. So first things first. I'm going to start this video off with the first thing. It's something that I mentioned in my last video detailing the update. I just wanted to get this out of the way, but I really think it's important. That's why I'm putting it in the beginning. First thing that needs to change, or they need to add, is a profile presets. Now, if you don't know what that is, basically what I'm referring to is, you see how you can change your profile, right? You have your profile layout, and say if I wanted it like this one way, right? And then I wanted to go in here and, make this one, change this to this one, and make the theme cosmic, right? Have the next one like this, right? They should add presets to where I could save my profile like this, name it, maybe if I want to name it something, and then I can easily switch between the profiles without having to go to edit profile and switch things. Profile presets, I think it's really simple. I think it'll be easy to implement, not really that difficult, and I think it'll definitely benefit the user base. I think a lot of people will love that. So I think that's the first thing that they should change or add to the suite. Next thing, very, very important. I think it's vital to the economy of the Steam point system, stuff like that. I think they should make points outright purchasable or tradable, one of the two. The reason why I say one of the two is because you can already get points by buying games. So I think that's a decent system. It works for their favor. But I definitely think that you should be able to either trade or gift points. I think they should be worth $1. It should be just like a key worth 250. But I think you should be able to at least find out. There should be some way to where you can give points to people, because your friends might want some points. You might have some leftover that you want to give to your friends. I think that'll definitely help the economy of the point shop. I think that's very, very vital. They should definitely add that. I think that's an amazing idea. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree with that, if they should make points tradable, because I got a comment in my last video saying, yo, he was kind of joking with it, but I could tell he was sad. He was like, yo, is there any way I can get points for free, because I don't have any money? I'm like, it'd be like that sometimes, but it doesn't have to be like that. They can make it work. They can let you trade points, stuff like that. I think that would be really, really cool. Now the third thing that I think that they should change in this update is something that has to do with this points badge. Now, my initial impression was that when you buy things using the points, or you buy games and you spend them in the point shop, it automatically accrues credits towards this point badge. I was not under the impression, I did not know that you have to actually buy the badge with points separately from the stuff that you buy in the shop. I think that is ridiculous. I think it's greedy. I think you should earn points for the badge outright. And the reason why I'm detailing this is because I had 12,054 points, and I bought the level to get to level 12 just because my name's Henry the 12. I had 12,000, so it just happened to work. That's why I have 54 points left. But I should have been earning this off of buying stuff before. I should be at level 8 by now. You know what I mean? I was under the impression that that's how you earn the points, right? But it turns out that's not the case. You actually have to buy the points back. So I don't know if they'll change this. I think the likelihood of this being changed is pretty low, just because, Valve, right? This whole system's built around them earning money. That's how you upgrading your profile, customizing your profile. It's all built around you spending money on either games or in the community market, whatever. Spending money to Steam, and they give you little customization. That's what this whole thing is built around. But this, I think, should change. And fourth, I guess, bonus, before I get into the last thing that I think should stay, and I think is a really good idea. Fourth bonus, I guess, is item showcases. I think you should be able to purchase item showcases in the shop. You see these showcases, you got your custom item box, item showcase, a custom text box, sorry, item showcase, review showcase. I think there should be a way to get these other than leveling up your profile, because the only way that I know to level up your profile is using like websites like Steam Levels. I made a video on that. You can check it out. Link in the description. How to upgrade your level. It's how I got to. I think I got to 50, from 12 to 50 in that video. So yeah, and that costed me a good bit of money. So I think that there should be ways to either upgrade your profile using this stuff. I did get to level 59 from 57 from buying the badge, so I guess that's cool. But that would be an overhaul of the XP system, and I'm not sure how they would get into that. But that would be really nice to see if they let you buy item showcases. Now, last thing I want to get into to cap this video off is one thing that I think was really, really cool. and a really, really good idea from Valve. It is the debut collection section of the point shop. This section right here. Basically, the debut collection is a collection of the initial items that were in the beginning of the store, right? These avatar frames, these animated avatars. And from what I see, it seems like they're going to have this stuff in the shop initially, maybe for a set period of time. I don't know if it'll be a month. I don't know if it'll be 3 months, right? Or a couple weeks. It could be this week, right? But it seems like they're going to do a sort of rotation where they have this stuff out and then they're going to release new stuff in the next period and the next period. And I like that because it creates a sense of exclusivity, right? If you have this stuff and it's gone, you can't get it anymore. So if you show off this banner, if you show off this thing, people ask, how did you get it? It's like, oh, it's not in the store anymore. You can't get it back, right? And it's kind of like the Fortnite, That's the only example that I can think of right now. It's like with skins, you had some skins and once they're out of rotation, that's it, right? So I think that idea of rotating items in a shop over a period of time, creating exclusivity, I think that is an awesome idea. That was a really good idea from Valve. I actually like that. I think it's sick. But that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this update as a whole. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you think Valve's being a bit greedy? Or do you think that they're giving us just the amount of customization that we deserve for our dollar? Let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely be reading them and checking them out from you guys. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day or evening whenever you watch this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to catch notifications when I upload. Check the community tab regularly. And I'll catch you guys later, man. Peace.